So next up, what we have is something based on text. And in general, what you can do is you usually only have a couple options with text, like bold, maybe change the color, italics.
Strike through.
Yeah, strike through. There's strike through. That's exciting. I get it.
I like to do strike through because I go, here's what I would have said.
Here's what Well, you can do like so much more with this next demo. It's Project Fantastic Fonts. And here to present it is Nirmal Kumawat. Welcome, Nirmal.
Thank you, Paul. Hi, everyone. How many of you love fonts? Well, me too. We use different kind of fonts to convey our ideas. Once we select a font, we usually have only two options, either bold or italic. But with Project Fantastic Fonts, you can do so much more. Maybe you want to adjust the Excite to match with another font. Yes, you can do that. Or you can make small or large adjustments you want on a font.
This is fun for
Amazing.
For designers. This is their thing.
This is exciting.
Well, you can change any property of any text outline so that you can make the perfect posters in product like Adobe Illustrator and print them.
Wow.
But we can do even so much more. Let's say you want to create a social media story for your trip coming to Adobe Max. When you first registered for Max, you probably got a wave of excitement in you.
Are you animating it? That's animating.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, everyone saw that, right? OK.
Yeah, making sure.
You might have hopped on a plane which flew through the air. You might have hit some turbulence with the wind. Or some of you might have observed high turbulence. You get to Max Bash, and you dance.
Oh.
Or maybe you just sway with the music. Well, you can express your feelings more precisely by using live device motion sensors. You can move your device back and forth, left and right, and you can create stunning animations within seconds. In products like Adobe Premiere Rush, Spark, or After Effects, I can control the wind direction and wind speed. And yes, I can hang the text on a rope just like hanging clothes. I can adjust the text properties as well. And I can set the text on fire, like real fire. I can add any other text to it, and I can select any other font, whichever I like.
Again, that's a live font that he's playing with.
Well, we also have multicolor fonts. Like this. So while keeping the usability in mind, you can let your device brightness to adjust the colors of the text automatically.
Wow.
With the brightness, just change the color of the font.
Or you can adjust the brightness of the colors as well. It's that simple.
Nice.
Lastly, I know that Max Bash is going to be really exciting. So let's make it more exciting by animating these colors. Now, this bar correctly matches the excitement of Max Bash. I put all these things together. Hope you like it. I'll see you there at Max Bash. Thank you very much.
That'd be fun for a wedding save the date if the text burst into flames when you.
Yeah, you could do that. And what he
June
was
13th, we're getting married, and then it just and then melts.
Yeah. And he is showing that you could do anything with the font. And that's like a real font. He didn't outline it, but you have that ability to manipulate that any way you want. And add animation, even if it's a multicolor font. I could imagine even if it's like an emoji font, right? You can make an emoji dance and all that fun stuff. Am I correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
What about Comic Sans?
Comic Sans.
Yes, you can do that.
Because that one is already way too out there for me.
It's already fun enough. I mean,
I know.
really?
What could be more fun than Comic Sans?
I get it. Do you have a favorite emoji, or what's the most used emoji you use?
I'm more of a let's see, emoji. A guy, a sort of a random Caucasian guy shrugging is what I send to my wife. Because I take a photo at the store. That's all my phone is filled with photos of products from like CVS where I go, is this the thing you wanted? And then she writes back, no. And then I go.
I love it. That's awesome. That's all your texts have. That's cool. All right, so.
There's no scandalous photos on my phone. It's just
groceries that you should not
that
get.
My wife told me about that I didn't listen.
Oh, man, too much. All right. Keep it coming, though.